na ene fellas na busia ano ohye.
Wow.
But I am the said you see here headlines in tunim. Asante Kotoko no kwasem we no say there is a twist to 3 of the players. Twists. Supporters na chitafo no bebre achiro madwen se miensa bi de. And a chitafo na dwen kire no. Ama on say 8 announcement 8 na ba.
Yes.
Frederick Asare. Contract asun ti oko. Chejwamana contract asun oko.
Yes.
Wisdom Basi or sign 3 years or 1 year. Paying for the year. Edwin Ajete sign 1.5 years or about half year oko. And Samson Duku and so about half year on so 45 with you. Kotoko your official announcement no.
Okay.
Mahuso ma combine artwork be Kabiru or market carbon oko you are.
Okay.
Exwa. Yeah, we announce sa 5 players no.
Okay.
Nano players na wura mu adakoja Odino kwada so. Aka Justice Blay.
Yes.
Aka Samuel Tenedu. And aka Isaac Minta.
Okay.
Me and saying the other supporters no mo nyadwene buja penyi. Supporters no mo nyadwene.
Wow.
Enti Samuel Tenedu de no. Se say nkomodie na koye loan.
Okay.
Loan. But Tenedu as we speak we pra. Me wura Tenedu camp no mo mpelo nzembia. So they also mark running movie because they feel that now cry ubaye Karim to buy one more competitive game no pra. Today no they assessing in jail Judi ompena terminating the contract na the 9 cry I be here.
Hey.
Minta 6 months out of 2 years. Minta or signed 2.5 years. And what about 6 months jaka 2 years.
Wow.
Minta no more bebre sa anti who assessing saying. Na mintaro muchua oza de muchua but ono si muchua no ono mpe muchua no ntiasa ye unilateral termination na unilateral de o terminate the consequences thereof our contract nim.
Yes.
No aye ho adwuma and Justice Blay so the same thing. Blade ya no say or sign 1.5 years in January jaka ne 1 year
aka 1 year yeah one full
ya ka say Blay and so mutua no ono so mpiri mutua.
Wow.
Eti either so be terminate unilaterally onko na wapam tu pam me a
de wombia
out of nisika can I say command 70%. The minimum is 70%, they brought 50,000 Ghana cedis.
Wow.
Eti if Kotoko ebe Justice Blay kwan a eso man over 500 million. No mo di jano kwan. Eti ehono atwentwen kakra.
Okay.
But abusia ye mongrem enna me se me da kakra na kra de kie nche da nyadwuma. Ma bre na wotwi na ma bre.
For the sake of our listeners.
Enna me nya call e free konfano che se amranche bia bewura. Na
omo yare.
What there be omo be medicals.
Hey.
No omo ya Asante Kotoko players. Na me say hey sir, na me say okay.
Wow.
And yes eagle no. Ya dware eagle next one go home. Ezi igano mani tuko. Tebusia eagle ni 2 year.
Okay.
Eagle ni 2 year.
And what the information about?
Na player we dem so obi ani na.
Sir.
Obi ani. Oye ni na anaminim so goja. Dey be oye medical service tu angoja obi.
Sir.
Omo ye nim na dia busia panyi. In fact, medicals na shase enra.
Okay.
Eti hubajew aye medicals na wie. Hubajew the 20-year-old from Brekum Chelsea. Ono awie the medicals no.
Okay.
On say process no enye straight jackets a omo etwa de your friend say eku eno wakoma no eyibi ukutwa na watwa wi no ayi wait a complete it in friend medicals no.
Yes.
Nyoma bebrebe na one to ascertain your fitness and otherwise. Enti enna na busa enna me catch us Victor Odro Echo Secretariat.
Yes.
And now Victor Drew, I am medical as review of Confanochi Teaching Hospital.
Wow.
Victor Drew.
Hey.
Victor Drew of Nations FC, former player Edema. Yeah, say Brekum Chelsea. Hey, there be Dreams. Former player Edema Dreams. Or no, and I will Confanochi Teaching Hospital. Where we medicals. He has completed his medical Japan.
Okay.
A branch of the Victor Udru 25-year-old or yeah right back otimi ball as central midfielder otimi ball as right wing forward otimi ball as holding midfielder. In fact abrante be ready yana abusia otimi ebo positions enum.
Wow.
Name afidie obo just 9 minutes 9 games and the nations.
Hey.
And Kotoko akofano edeno aba eno eye Victor Odro of Nations FC. The makers any nipa ni na eye abranche bi a Osiakan de my Dreams FC 2016 war.
Okay.
Me kan go for baba attacking pa nyam na me to mesre mo. Nyam na me to. O mo to ane de abeka. Na abusapanyi abranche yi no kwaseme wo ni se okwa abrochire zukosi akan wa abrochire.
Okay.
Ne din ade Johnson Opon Owusu. Johnson Owusu Pon ana Opon Owusu.
Football name.
Abrante no ade 27 years. The date of birth 5th February 1998.
You know the name by
Left winger. Abrante ni busapanyi.
Brakoma 87.9 FM on Facebook. Na beha Abrante na Richardo Pepe Suarez the fellow man kind of wasam the picture no ene da hono.
We dey say nyase okoye medical sin bia we dey me me eagle nyina ne ente.
What's your friend say?
Johnson Opon Owusu.
Owusu Pon.
However, it is Owusu Pon Opon Owusu. Nje Opon no ba be Pon Owusu. Opon Owusu.
Be Opon Owusu. And
I say Owusu no bad first day be Owusu Pon.
Aye.
Na our transfer record pa busapanyi.
Okay.
Enti abranche no wasi akan dia ma Dreams. Wasi akan dia ma Interlies.
Okay.
Osanko Dreams. Chese obobo Interlies no loan. And o call Braga. Sporting Bra e Portugal and o call Maratimo. And o call Trinity's Lane. No call Kamasha. FK Kukusi. And without a club. Dreams 203 was about Dreams.
So I bought Dreams 3 times.
And Osako FC Regia. Just Abrante no o true to kwampa bujapanyi.
Wow.
Or a left winger. Left. Ya kaisa Asante Kotoko left winger. No way there. Ye nimu no ya Asante there. Busy nimu no. Where there ya na uja tise Dreams. No on the Dreams. 2023-2024 no. Na ine coach yo. Zito. Eti achase Zito ni nimu no. Where there me shot ko sia pia kora nimu no.
Back on form guide your signings. Ne say ya ko ye Dreams boys nkwa.
Oh, one more Dreams, one more Dreams da.
As or more Zito boys or Mafan in Semunkwa. Are they quality players? And Omo and the boys in G. As a quarter of you.
So ni momo. This one to Johnny ni momo.
Send your own kwao. Team na nyane dia.
Of course.
I Asante Kotoko.
Yeah.
Omo nshwe ni ye. Menka se play Mr. Munchemi ye. Menka se players nenye. Menka so Munchemi. But as a player, I am Zito boy. He's not building the club for himself.
Timmy Crowder, sir, a boy, I know nations are about 2 years or about 9 games. On Yadia nations, Lord Amoa,
9 games.
And you're not teaching no adrenagetin to Quaqua Bruchaba. 2 minutes, is anchor, yeah, but Yana de Biamacato said, Sankadi, where Asia was a penny. I have prosperity Ogma. I came to be a Bianca Prosi Bachi cream. Senka prosper pana that's what Kotoko. And was one person Seduku. On Pais on per a Tinedu. On per Dranajeti. Players are on my former January and was one bob. I was young getting Dragrim. Now, the other question is a change coach, and a coach, Sunday and no much match was a pep by Man City. No Man City for about semi finals of the Champions League. Yes. Or change the entire back line in Aka, Vincent Company. Gaklichi, Bakari Sanya, Pep Gazuombe. In fact, Pep Nakofa goalkeeper Claudio Bravo. Claudio Bravo does 6 months run or jumping for the Mianam Kofana Mpe. No, Mkofa does Moras Bren. Do I hope you are Casona Sabro crazy?
Okay.
So what I say?
Yes, sir.
But asam na bomi pusa say coach and you want to talk more or but as a club, the club should have a policy to guard against some of these things.
Yes.
And the Abrante Johnson
Owusu
Pong one as Pong Usu. Some kind 14-15. Na dreams call in Allies and was returning 15-16 and was called Braga 16-17. 17-18 on and and was about dreams 23-24 yeah about dreams.
That's what about football 11 years new.
Yeah. It's the age and I said them the two jano. The age or 27 years. Or born Rastasa.
Yeah.
The Dino Johnson
Kokosono.
Na one and a knee. Why medicals ni be el confanocho?
Wow.
Why medicals ni be?
Wow.
The players na kwaya medicals na Japan. Medical bo who be Johnson no and no ye.
Yeah.
Abrante Akoye Johnson. Or a left-footed player. Or a left winger.
Okay.
Left winger. And papa bi ane menim no say ni benku na castle of 4. Inti or left winger na. Yes, you timi the ball center forward kra mani yi. So person the ball center forward utimi ball. Utimi ball number 10 no and so account. And na face Zakaria Fuseni. I am medicals.
Wow.
Send me catch us and 9 bi dia wi. Na when say when see by I am medicals bi chese on so wi anamboa. Because I am because player the only club in agreement ah. See am medicals sa. And you find agreement with the club and na o kwa your medicals. It be panyi. No kwasam ne say abranchi one omo awie am say medicals na ne sa. Afei Victor Odro of Nations and so I am the medicals no.
Okay.
Victor Odro I am medicals no. Aziz Haruna Dari the goalkeeper from Bechem United. Aziz Haruna Dari Bechem United for goalkeeper no.
Yes.
Abushono so I
the
medicals no El Confanochi. And a Francis Aqua and so I am medicals no.
Okay.
85 players and every medicals at the Asante Kotoko. A comprehensive medicals and a course. A team of doctors, specialists, and a supervisor medicals no. And it happened at a teaching hospital. Confanochi teaching hospital. So who bejau? Wayawi. Zakaria Fuseni Wayawi Johnson Owusu Pong Wayawi Victor Odro
yes
Wayawi Aziz Haruna Dari Francis Akwa as a coach is
correct. Six players
Insia Bujapani Kotoko no
another overhaul
ebe to do dia me hun de obe to do which I vehemently disagree.
I say with so
I disagree with the ya can say no ya na ni bia ni bintia so be frame pepe na ya so ntia se no last season dru baby hwe baby play a proper ni nyoma nyoma hwe nam se na omo maintain omo no de ebi ba ya pom ne de ba nje the same number ya pom ne de ba senya 3 ya abujapanyi ho ba asem ya san koma na so 5 dada eti play tinedu minta na ye 8 and no mama kwesi Asante call e 9 ti 9 omo de 10 ba on say the same number na 9
just one difference
na minim kwa be faso o manage play situation is say because play no edge 70% of the remaining amount no
amount for see me misao chirem kakra den ti na blade no omoso wonko no den omoso wa ye den onimbo no bo ana ye den
oh blade asem de so say onimbo ba say wa na be chirichi say wa ma mic na chirichirem ana blade na minim no wa bokoto na che
yes
na maka asɛm bi wɔ wo kasa fidie so sɛ nneɔma bi wɔ hɔ a mekɔkɔ champɔ sɛ nkɔfoɔ ka de tagi players ɛa na mwanwa paa na obi yɛ ma asɛm ne adeɛ yɛ mente aseɛ deɛ wokɔtɔ no ɔmɔmtɔ ma bɛkɔtɔsi a ɔmo so ɔmo deɛ ɔmo na asɔfoɔ no bi wonim gu gu maa so mfa asɔfoɔ koraa wonim asɔfoɔ bi gu maa so sɔfo bi agye me gɛ koraa sɔfo a wagye me gɛ
ɔmo yɛ soro abɔfo
ebi afa kɔ so abɔfo sɔfo deɛ sɔfo no bi yɛ ma asɛm ɛpatwa sɔfo a mutie me anwummere nya sɛ bi a na sɔfo bi gye me gɛ anka mbɛware no na ɔgye bana sɔfo so aware dada eti no kwasɛm sɛ busabanyi blay asɛm no akɔ ɛsɛ yɛse na nsɛn na blay bu fu ibi ɛna bibi si yɛ na ɔsesa ne nneɔma kora so ɔnda kampo biom ɛna mfayin kɔsi na kyɛ sɛ nsɛm no bebrebe
ɔmo nhwɛ nneɛma bi yo nneɛma bi wɔ hɔ a boy ne performance nti wotumi yi w'ani kakra wo
blay deɛ no deɛ apart from performance no sisi a me ne wo kasa yi based on Kotoko this is not my taking no the most experienced player at Kotoko today I players from over 2 seasons and Henry Ansu 2 years Abrantari Dide Intimanu 2 years Baba Yaya 2 years I could be Ansu 2 years they say players of more experience of Kotoko 2 seasons at the club 2 seasons Blade and 5 and another goalkeeper the other 3 Asari the other 3 years
more Africa or more experience
nti be so busapanyi the experience na ha dwena yese nkate bone ba ko be frank kate pa ese oyi to twene na anse wonum tie bia se bia but I can tell you say place ya mabo mu din de wo mo wie medicals no e o conference teaching hospital e ho result do mo be ma Kotoko doctor no dia koma management so a pass it tie so a pass ya na say dia ka no Kotoko media team na djuma so obetrase na eno ya na o asan dada o ndia se twafo nyini kwa because da bia me hwa ya o mo nsan he to yesei akwa bi kura de aye zoom ya no wasi ade de trans mo kai the contract no wasi de trans na da so no je na etwa no kwa etu asan awie na fe ya twetwa mfonyini no ma grant mo first interview with Asante Kotoko media team no ni announce officially na ise no ano no na ise no akoye 6 me boa
yes
so Charles Jemfi Kamara ono ne de akoye sikasem ba bi ejina ne sikasem he's almost a free agent by 25th and 21st right for the next 4 days we free but the managers no oba maame no Mrs. Osai so 70,000 no ma jana manako Kotoko agree on that also the cost at the no ejina $50,000 or more agree on that the nations Sadik the no nations sika no mo boy no Kotoko apiri na chikakra
okay
it won besan ko money biem no more akoka ho asam na say we ya kan kwaro striker mam so that no 10 day bedu because striker mam because Kotoko say equal duku kwa say obe replace no striker mam etebusia kakra ye wuram na kwampoku de no anhwa management man nko say pressure start back kakra nkofo start complaining eti tisa betamu wakura betamu say anura due $300,000 plan abetozi home jemframa ba management no menya so be kan krata because si Asante so must out on the azania busepeje beyere eti pressure start back kakra but I think that overall the management will manage it and then see but one thing I'm person me can chat on say the culture of yafa coach ti coach no ba me mpewei no e drew time bia wontim Zabi Alonso ba yi o se bia me mpe Jude Bellingham
ti mo ma nko
me mpe ya mam no me mpe Rodrigo
na team no dia
me mpe Mbappe ewo he
Zito what dreams no
yeah
na season and this wotimi ya me mpe we
Ghanaian coach bia me mpe babra ho coach Kotoko anase has Ghanaian coach bia because nano coach from Paul Manso Steven Echo Go Stars
league
GD Passer ke man list the one pan ko yi bebrebe but they have a certain you work within a certain system where sa luxury of me pay we ni ho sa so ni ho sa enti Ghanaian coaches in the omba Kotoko ne ha sa e na me pay we ne ba but if you are me say debatable obi aba o me transe ni enye debate midfielders ni alen ke o mutu Kotoko ni em form performance ni em fasa mo tiredu performance ye be wie no wo betwa me prese because me si tiredu must stay strikers bi apɛ sɛ ɔde ɔmo ba no here ɔmo bɔ ne mo ɛntumi ntu kwampoku ne abetamo a you don't waste money because still ɔmo bɔ ɔmo bi etu ɔba ba bɛtena nkyɛn ma ne numbers na yɛ sɛ minta deɛ no wasan pam no daabi mempɛ wei ne yɛ adɔɔso manage the system get 2-3 players bi ɔmo ɛyɛ adeɛ bebrebe na adeɛ bɛhyɛ mu but I say the culture we built a certain culture ama aka coaches no hɔ nti ɔba ne nyina wafa adwene wɔ ne tirim we bɛkɔ of course wobɛyɛ kɔtokɔ adwuma busapanyi ɛho ayi ne dɔɔso sɛ ɔmo nso ɔmo nim a ɔmo nso manage players bebree coach makora no coach makora banya wakora asɛm ne yɛka ho again there seems to be a certain trajectory say
dreams players
obi a wabo dreams dabi obi on easy to ayɛ adwuma dabi
dreams on brabe no boy
I think that ɛno nso ayɛ adeɛ baako a ɛsɛ coach hwɛ ne yie ɛyɛ ɛsɛ egeni route the perception is say na say zito de ɔno nya adwuma da ɔbɛmpɛw but ebi aka yɛ baako anka nipa ntimi nkasa na kwasa Johnson abo dreams waba Victor Drobo dreams 9 matches the whole season but ya don't ya ja obi kwan so onko 9 matches coach hu die ne ya hu bi oh Asante Kalaza oni mbopa da bia Kabiru Tranka o percentile midfielders but it says I want too many miensa with dreams background na Asante na ko dreams asema na eno any the conversation but let's just hope for the best.
Masu Didi Dramani, is he the right man for the Hearts job? What must he do to get the results?
I was Yamidasi. Me you won some nano, me shasi free. The Usi Pino. He is the right man.
Okay.
And
what makes him the right man?
Na bodini ni ye omo churugu krata ni nyina so no ayade e dokosro abodini no doso but has niema omo ye nyina mewo disappointment wo baby ani ebu o man fama Abubakar Watara me feel say so omo di coach beba ko munya coach no ho no kwan ansa na omo announce di oba
and dey say be ye fiasem
enye fiasem professionally ethically very wrong. Many coach Didi Dramani cry senka me bena my advice ne say anka omunye sa announcement no ansa na
ma earlier omo de base omo ene ka technical director ho asem enti na aye clear said there was no head coach
they never communicated to us
from how to folks say coach no omo yi and abusapanyi enye fe nyene sa meti hayi so akofo bi be head of sports it is only fair and proper that I am informed. I don't need to come to the office to come and meet somebody doing my job, then the person will tell me so me na isi edemaba ansa na nipa afrema ka cha mo yesa wan fa bu ama me
ba se na watara ya we so mo ne ni di sa nkomo nje bia na nkomo ye ni fiasem
da bia nya fiasem the house of folk enya obi abusu asem a public entity with a lot of people nya ne tia ye ka o mazemi eti house of folk nya dia bit magazi ye take decision na yeah ethically it stands to reason that they should have communicated to us our head coach is now the technical director. Then it paves way for a certain announcement. No, yes, announcement.
So I was saying Americano. So come Ben coach Didi and come catch and say more man has for any announcement. So obey coach until say or want to say the coach no major no kind. Okay. Because me there wouldn't stand. What are no yadia or you be your yadia also coach yes. Nemo no interest as you bun in terms of Nejuma or ye for us folk. But Coach Didi Dramani there, he's proven beyond all doubt. Every area be out the he's a good coach and a renowned one as well. And when I was at catcher say we're legendary unim Nejuma. But Ubusa say Ubetimi the has I could do baby has in quote supporters person has idru no on-field performance once yeah. The elements of success na doso until you might have the best coach so we need the supporting system and as an environment you may be the finest in the world but somehow you will find a way to fail. You may be the best in the world but environment now obebeko akotom no buzua senye environment papa you can fail but eniema ya na search appointment ede ba ne se who say when you an European experience with Norgeland, when you Blasters experience, when you national team experience, when you Asante Kotoko experience, into at the peak of the career and India, what experiences are gathering in Ano. So Bedru Hasa or expect a certain level of professionalism. 87.9. Senuni be ni Hasa, it made some internal unrest eba. And no bet made the real omo adion peso omoye. Because he's been at Norgeland, he's been with the Blasters. The organization of House of Folk behind the scenes, Sanya Papa. I bet me impeding a jumana abusia at the assembly. But to say nipa no mu boni din so omeji adwuma or you the right man there, or you more than the right man. Okay. Because House of Folk an elite club on the continent of Africa. I am one of the biggest clubs our Ghana ha. I am one of the names of African football history. I recognize it, not as House of Folk. So team Tesadia, then you need renowned coaches. Okay. And you matrama kwe Tese Kubman, Bagui Obasha Nanai, and Watara has a beyond Watara. Watara no betimas was agent to be only place Kasama has Akosani home. But in the capacity as a technical man to lead us in a day. 1 season and a half, our show what has in a say. Papa no, he's not cut for the job. So did Dramani dear? Meaning the assessor coach a year BM we are say so be deserve has a Jumano and as well qualified for has a Jumano.
Now we deserve when ya on your then was succeed you had to folk.
You see success our House of Folk no on frere Samuel Bodo. No ni nko no nkyerɛkyerɛ has ni nsɛm nkyerɛ ni yie sɛne ye bɛyɛ
a no we coach near the team ma no akɔfrɛ Zito bai wa frɛ obi
ɛwo
Zito afrɛ obi
ɛwo so o ye arrogant me ye metimi aya wani megu ase awia wa bra man nyina wodwom
sa
anya anadwo na ye ka se nanu anu wa ha no wa yi ɛne de anu gu ase ni ho but akoye awie obi abehu bi Inti Mr. Samuel Bodu a dear and twitwi coach adwuma wo ho a dear no na ono Samuel Bodu ni gitumi ye pass or ya no feel say on your opportunity and ko besesa no eniema ben na wo has or feel say level na waduru no amwa coaches
okay
na onjo tiri nyina okoduru ha no maka saa de we mi mpeni sei wo se mo ye ni sei saa de we na nya has ne ete ha yeso o mo fa assistant coach de no wo bechemi o de iprage akofa na mattress a okoda obi njen so saa ne o mani nyina wo House of Folk elite manager like Didi Dramani abuzia o ye sure say ne bobajo so ana we ye ne ma ne bonyo so coach ne de me doubt no but the element of success no anye de onim nko a
ebefa
asese fa mano so
what team no mame team o mo de finish season yi he fa pa na o hwe say coach did na nisi da o hwe ye ho adwuma o mo di fourth from 14th to 4th so o mo ko mo di mo
abuzia has team the players be few players be ehia little bit of coaching omo maka na de gise miracle
na ise onye overhaul yana total overhaul
anye onse coaches beat me improve me aya na me nya obi a me pese dodo na anko ensan me nye saade no ntum me feel say o ko akọ sign a hwemuye but the hano say yes sign aya de every and say you need a lot of information about boys no okay. Personal life ni friendship ne ye de ana say onim ball da bi enye ball no nko a and the football no a purely business inti so onim free kick ball is it ne masem ne ndasem na busua no relationship te saying when you dokra wo fie pen so onya bi da oba wo team no mo be cause trouble because you be abi aye nahi. So these are the elements Europe for no mo hwe into obi betimi the 2 years attractive player bi na o hwe saa de we nyina ansa na assign player but he's a developer inti players be to say Hamza Isamu, Maulimu, me expect Collins, me expect to say obe polish omo. Obomu omu coaching. Say nebeya some players no bet me improve. But there are areas I want say has team call transfer market no. Onko outside Ghana. Say has person yet a quick recovery. They will need quality from outside Ghana.
Okay.
Sebeb has. But Osha the Sanso has also benefited from going outside Ghana for quality players. I think say the only one about prove will be a radio vocal. And then I'm saying Linda maybe bibi Gledo Tanga obeti mama na Max Misa and yegi biasa about obeti mama na Max. But Osha money Kotoko outside players na things Kotoko dene maybe I am calling him. So coach, he's a fantastic coach.
Okay.
You would have to improve certain players. Our house of folk, which me feel say a lot of players our has no potential. But I can't dear back who watara no needs adiano to improve.
Another day.
Oh no, coach also go to play 2 billion or top 5 years and yeah. Who do me clearly? Why must be coachy? So
but I say I really love this man, Pepe Suarez. He really makes sports analysis so easy. Francium, the Aristotle, I don't know. Pepe just spoke my mind. Thanks so much. Football is not made for Europe. They should keep quiet and suffer. Kobe J Saki and so Dieni Enche mene me is Fred Akure in you Apia Makati Pepe Obano.
Yes, you have a Sumayan to
yes, Hans and Ami Bisa Karim Zito the media Maso did Dramani and a house I confirm na me bisa is he the right man for the job? Quite ben one fast 1 year day and wait me a succeed has the 14th I'm up for Kawatara and Yadi or Doma by 4th or so I dear SNK funny see a concon as a house called him already Maso did Dramani any day.
But that's first question. No, is he the right man for the job? He's more than the right man.
Okay.
For the, and he is not the only right man for the job.
Okay.
If they had appointed Masokuna a right man for the job,
yes.
If they had appointed any of the serious local coaches, or a right man for the job, enjoy a right man for the job, but he's not the only right man, but or a more than deserving of the penny. A juma be a wokremu be yeah, as a coach, to merit such an appointment, you know, opinion ding at a Masoud Didi Dramani. I'm saying who taking a perfecto or penadia perfect.
Yeah,
why be that? Coaches here, I come from Frabonte, baby. I'm the coach, Krayano Munkuchida. No, apa, no, baby, no call. It's Papa was a penny wayadi or Bob Radi at all. Steve can't say, Steve Nangazanians and Wasoro. Masoud, as someone was your name, some about what they can, yes, yeah, and what they can express the disgust to the board and the management for not announcing a decision on. Coach ba kuna zara moboni din eti e boni din no frɛ watara ne watara din kobo
okay
omo ye namfofo also ye calf instructor
yeah
na ebra na watara ewo work na as technical director say omo wo a certain conference bia calf technical instructors ne technical director ehia class omo technical directors and sa conference na say no mo hia ya did it growing up so enim watara from Ghana 94-95 it will be they have personal relationship with the
okay
and so omaneti as say enye ono ne pe say but wow. Because that thing a create okay 2 local coaches are on one way with the common kasa bio
yes
e be say
kai maso credo ko ji Legon City still na ye Bashu Hayford and na wo ho a oba ka say
ne create problems I just me ya adwuma no na wo me ho ase ne ade it is a management to take decision ni we communicate a no obi ba eye unim eso ne watara din komo busa watara say na ya opepa say 2 billion plus wasn't a board in the room na ya opa and as you were forced to take that it would ya chile mama nchaze
okay
so watara kacha na ne pa Masoud Didi Dramani yemba hye no so watara kacha oh me ana na me pene saa obedanase 87.9 one person eso ni din komo ya samobodam ni samobodun so empanyifo e coach mu Ghana Kofi Yesu ade buo soro nkɔmɔ ɔmo a report to ɔmo no baako ɛyɛ Didi Dramani abusapanyi Didi ankɔ Samobodu ɔso ɔkɔgye adwene ɛde yɛ coach ɔkɔbusa ne experience at Asafo because me si besi nɛ Samobodu's period at Asafo anyhow ɔpanyini
Watara
dabi Dr. Nyawuta Maklomu hono no
oh okay
ebiti all logical reasoning that you win a league and a board member of your club comes out to say
yeah petrol
and you trophy be ni epe
ball papa
meanwhile that team had gone almost 10 years without winning that league
yes
hey maybe has for ball mami ya je wa cup bi samukaya e mo mulusu ye omo ne so draw blast obi na ne mami free na obo memorial cup has ebo omo 100th anniversary cup no enyim ba be fine this trophy ne si enyim ba for secretariat I want Nigeria bujapanyi within all some period yi nyina na Samobodu be je league a GFA cup a double in first season na papa na ye interviews at David dia tours o be can say oh coach na like control jama boys no nioma bi okay
yeah
it is Samobodu there he is one example of bujapanyi obi ade has for adwuma be ma bia no enso busa say wo ye den wo ye obi bone na den na wo mo ka say nya bibi na wo ye he needs to understand. People would have to understand or you will be as you share the free and jay.
Okay.
And yes, Airbnb watch league still not Omaka say no more because he won the league, he won the FA Cup.
Yes.
The first season he won the FA Cup.
FA Cup.
Almost saying no more pay. Tebia you did you so to has the league and one. But Obiaji League was a penny and penny for the Abuano so. One point, you know.
Yeah.
So if coach didn't be because I'm looking at the possibility of Didi Dramani being at Asafo for 3-4 years. Has the coach Ebaya Odi Chesa Watara Ikura Wacho Watara said Samobodu the 2 seasons. Watara Super Bowl half season it was no fast watch no. Has to be used 4 coaches 1 season. 3 coaches 1 season. So an idea we just have to ensure say coach Ebesa na Buzapanyi did it in the first list. Ama and Penny for
Fire room.
The first list of 4 players. Madika Kaze players na Watara Chocho Mudi. The hard dream partner say Imono Sapon why Medica say we. But almost all the own cover to Monka. But why Medica say we. Did the first player absorbed dinner a moment a Kamadi Mamudu. Some of the Didi Dramani league no follow pa or data of players. Na Kamadin and no catch out is in the price and I'm $300,000. Sana mediama for an acre. Inti first on the list Kamadin Mamudu of Mediama. I was the second player Razak Simpson of Nations FC. Didi targets in a bayere zombie nyamano. Razak Simpson of Nations. Black Stars defender. This one a Black Stars or a member of the Black Stars or a member no so watch or the Dino at the Amampen for say or Mudi Honkomo or Mumpeman and Comodi Bia and Fanning Copium or Mamin Kajra has for no one pay before because a branch no customer woman say nations for no air shipana quabonte. Wow.
Abia has beat me afford.
There be want to me afford. Yeah, I'm saying phone will be 9.20 almost $500,000. Has been $500,000. $500,000 and a 50 billion. I have to play about Ghana. There be a Japan. Abra pump coach and next coach in the bar because Membeno Ghana coaches. Hey, Membewi. One more time so a day. A branch of the nephew Suleimana of Nations FC.
Yeah.
Nephew see another fine baller. Last season, Upa Tete Kotoko Pana no so come home. Tete Asante Kotoko na nephew account. So nephew and so Ekaless. And finally Kofi Tompo. The first season we league in the mini of Japan.
Wow.
Or say on a Bobby long Bobby share Kamara Kotoko a Bob call. Nana Fusuja Bopa Kubichi. Yeah. Has so called on one more keyboard you Piamana. Or some bottle.
There's why
I am Medford, but we say goes by Kofi Tompo. So, first batch of players are indeed they are submitted their hearts and paying for say, or money won't come on for Mano. And I'm there today.
Okay.
Now, as to say, Didi Dramani has for bet many target with the money because the targets and watch it. Kamadin, Razak Simpson, Abia Kofi Tompo, there was a Bechamia selling club, Ubenya. Few nations. Mienu as a mienu job, but blast off one. Because Chromas will be $100,000 crowds every time. You're born in a baby nanke years out. Sir, okay, sir. Frank Champo, I'll Frank Champo, Cabo.
Yeah.
From Rainbow to Brecum Chelsea low, near $50,000.
Wow.
And Chelsea,
and a Champo.
A ton called Burulampa. And on T50, and Sani every deal come over the Akan. Bismarck Island from Casbin to Brecum Chelsea. Those days.
Then I come.
Mr. Chairman, I'm saying $100,000. See, a bonnet drew a bianca, so I get a boom, but a nay there. A nay, Oko Bo be $100,000. Oh, Kurima.
7 amount $100,000.
But has the almost 50 of the mom.
Okay.
So has 250. I'm going to branch up and call Sarah the Cassandra Catcher. It is of the penny.
To wrap up, Didi, ever for Chelsea?
Didi has a folk of the penny. Sir, a bit funny there. You bet me the annual can pay so the one not done your bingo. And he so when him did Dramania Overcast or hard. Messina who tell you perfect to open your perfect.
Sure.
It attach a folk. Young fair you white to be more answer. Near far you been 2 players, you come on pre and yet scientific. He believes in the scientific approach to football. It one year support and on so free a bombay. And you see, I'm far you went 2 players, the Comono. Said did the prepare of a problem, but on pre.
Wow.
Said it Dramani. Player near the Obia Basso, Penny way now supporters Penny and a correct on pre. What I have for Pokunti. So what you league me under Pokunti. Yeah, Busan. Did it in a Jumayana team because or a top-notch coach. I had to work for Peps on any age, man. I'm going to play.
So German.
Oh, there be Chama. I had the way. I had the Yanasa. Only did the count. No, just the Yanasa. To one way, Pena relationship. No, I say, but I believe that has any Mombusa Mokofan.
Okay.
Did he so do baby on so low one your Macacran into a traditional team no coach? Nipper dear Chen Dawson. I think that. By and large, or one of the best coaches in our system, and say, or here and where you man obey me, I has a human.
Pepe, may I say, where every